In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can curve text into an arc using Photoshop. The first method uses the text warp tool. To begin with, you'll select the text tool in the toolbar, it's the T, click on your layer, and type your text. Next, go to the top toolbar and select the Text Warp tool, which is a T with a curved line below it. The Style menu determines how your text is warp. To curve your text, select either the Arc or the Arch option. The difference is that Arc will curve the text with a bit of a vertical distortion, whereas the Arc option will keep the letters straight up and down with no distortion. Regardless of which style that you use, the bend is the degree to which the text is curved. The closer to 100%, the more curved that the text becomes. You can even go negative to curve it the other direction. The second method for curving text into an arc in Photoshop involves putting the text onto a circle path. To do this, begin by selecting the Circle tool. The Circle tool can be found in the same menu as the line. Click and hold the line tool, and then select the ellipse tool. In the top toolbar, change the settings from pixels to path, and then click and drag the circle on your document. You can hold down Shift to keep it in a perfect circle as opposed to an oval, although you could also use an oval to arc your text. Now that you have your circle, go back to the toolbar and select the Text tool. Click on the circle where you want the text to begin. Because I want my text to be centered, I'll click on the center top dot. Now make sure before you click that it turns into this cursor with the squiggly line. That indicates that the text will be wrapped around the path. And then begin to type your text. What I like about this method is that it doesn't distort the letters at all. It simply rotates them around the path. If I turn back on the layer from the arc text, you can see that the letters are slightly distorted. So this one down below is the one around the circle, and this one above is on the arc. As you can see, these were both the same font and size, but the ones that were using the text warp are slightly distorted. That is, they're bigger at the top than they are at the bottom. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see how to do in Photoshop.